Later in the video, guys, 900k free BCRL coins and chaos stones. Let's see how's that possible. Yo guys, free codes for the Resonance Solstice game. This is not any hack because these codes have already been bought by our sponsors and they offer us a way to get them for free. So I'm starting by turning my power saving mode off. I'm just gonna disable and enable again just to be sure. Next, I want to show you guys how things before trying the actual method. So here we go. This is how it looks at the moment. Also make sure you copy your user ID from here. This is not so hard to find it. First thing I'm gonna do is open the browser and go to ontwig.com. Make sure it's the .com one, guys. Now I'm searching for the game name to find it easier and tap on start. Let's skip over these loading screens and now I'm entering my user ID I talked about earlier. Then I select Android and of course I'm gonna go with the max value of resources. Now guys, as I mentioned, these codes have been bought by our sponsors and they require you to do an additional step in order to receive them. But don't worry, this step is very easy and it's 100% free. It only takes you some minutes or more depending on your country. As you can see, here I got my code and now I'm gonna go in the game settings and redeem it right now. Alright guys, I entered the code, let's check it out. And yep, it worked. 900k of each resource, guys. Now I'm gonna go back to game and I should see the resources flooding my account. And oh my god, guys, it worked. I got my free coins and chaos stones too. I'm putting my finger above so you can see this is for real. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you also enjoy this method, and yep, see you in the next one.